Minerals. Hello and welcome to Adventures in Pop-Ups. I'm Blake and this is Rachel, and we're here to show you our campsite at Moraine View State Park.
Yeah, it's in Leroy, Illinois. Check out our adventure. This is a special episode, by the way.
Yep.
We went to a pop-up camper rally. There were at least 20 pop-up campers, plus a few A-frames and hybrids, people that love pop-up campers all hanging out, having a raffle and a cookout and playing. Check out our adventure, and we'll be right back with you.
Well, here we are out on Lake Dawson. It's beautiful. Sun's starting to set over here in the west, and there is a gift shop and a restaurant just across the lake on the other side, and they've got kayak rentals, and you can launch any boat out here. They just don't really want you making a wave, but we got some good fishing out here, lots of bass and walleye and bluegill, and lots of canoes and kayaks out here. So it's a great little peaceful lake, very beautiful spot. What a great weekend, perfect weather, a great Illinois pop-up camper rally group. Every fall, this is the place to come. Lots of great people, lots of great conversations, great stories. Yeah, what do you think?
It was good. It was good. And it's just a quiet little place on this beautiful lake. I think it's Lake Dawson.
Lake Dawson.
Very pretty. And we actually got a spot right in front of the lake, which is E12. One of our other favorites, the whole P loop is where the rally was. And there's some right up on the water, some back up to the woods. I think 17 is the one that is backed up to the woods right by the lake with little trails that run behind it. The kids had a great time running up in there. They found they were calling it a log cabin. It was like a stick house that somebody had put together, and like a fort. It's been lovely. It's been lovely weather.
Beautiful area.
The water is yellow, so we are kind of scrambling. We didn't have enough pure water, and rookie mistake.
It's drinkable, I guess.
We did forget our purifier pitcher, too.
We forgot the purifier.
I know. We used it to bake with a little bit, because I used my pressure cooker 3 different times to, boil already packaged stuff in boiling water. If you haven't seen that hack, check out some of my other videos. It was good, and we've just been a little short on drinking water because we're not comfortable with drinking this water. Although the camp host said it's completely purified, it's good to go, it's just a little high in mineral content.
That's right. Extra minerals.
I'm thinking 3 stars. 3.5?
3.5. It's a beautiful area, beautiful lake, wonderful people, great camp host.
The playground is several streets over, as is the bathhouse. So if you want to be on the lake, you're not going to have a bathroom nearby.
It's pretty close. It's just
not too bad.
Couple streets over. You could cut through. The lots are kind of big.
Yeah, and the showers were fine. The bathrooms were fine. Nothing to scream about, but they had the right temperature of water, had a little changing area next to it. It was good enough.
Yep, few camping trails, and you might want to check this rally out. The fall rally is always this weekend in October.
Yeah, shout out to our Illinois pop-up campers.
Woo!
Raise the roof.
Great rally, awesome raffle, lots of great prizes. The person next to us won the $100 Blackstone, but tons of raffle prizes. Everyone wins. Raffle tickets are only a couple bucks, and you pick the prize that you want to win. And then they also have the great potluck dinner, and that was just, everyone was stuffed. And so that was a great, great time. The kids, of course, had a great time getting a bunch of candy, doing some trick-or-treating, having a great time. Lots of s'mores, lots of campfires, lots of stories. So.
Also, one thing to note, they just put down fresh blacktop everywhere here.
Yeah.
The streets are gorgeous.
Really
There's
nice.
Fresh gravel, fresh blacktop. It's nice.
Yeah, bring your rollerblades, your skateboards, your scooters, your bikes.
Yep, have a good time at Moraine View State Park in Illinois, which is near Bloomington.
Yep.
Not too far from Bloomington.
Just north?
To the east a little bit.
Okay.
Southeast.
I don't know where I am.
We'll put a map up. It's okay. Thanks for watching Adventures in Pop-Ups. This has been Moraine View State Park in near Bloomington, Illinois. If you are new to our channel, please check us out. We have all kinds of tips and tricks and campsite reviews. And if we don't see you here, we'll see you out on the trails. Happy camping.
Don't forget to hit that like button and share this with your friends who like camping.
Yes.
Camping, hiking, all the good stuff. Making memories, one adventure at a time.